Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. It's been a while I have posted a new video, and as we all know, Eid is around the corner, so I just couldn't delay it anymore. So in this video I'm going to share this classy glowy nude festive look for all of you. You can glam yourself up for any kind of festival using these tips and tricks. So let's see what's there in the video today. And if you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more such content. And if you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my Instagram profile. Go follow me over there. I share all the makeup hacks and styling tips over there, so go and check that out. So let's begin. Okay, so to start off, I'm using this Dewy Lumina primer from Wet n Wild. Besides blurring out the pores, it also acts like a strobing cream. So whenever I want a dewy glowy look, I kind of reach out for this kind of primers so that I can add that extra sheen to the skin and I look like I'm glowing from inside. After applying the primer, it's time to color correct the pigmented areas, and for that I'm using this orange corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I will apply it on the bluish or blackish kind of areas on my face, and then I'll just gently smudge it using my finger. Once the orange corrector is blended well, I'm going to neutralize the redness on my face using this green corrector this time, and this is also from LA Girl Pro Conceal. And once again I'm just going to blend it out using my finger. You can use any kind of tool like a sponge or a brush if you think that works best for you. So now it's time for the foundation, and for the foundation today I'm using this one from Milani. This is the Conceal and Perfect, and the shade name is Warm Beige. This is like a true match to my skin tone, and I love this foundation because it also adds a glowiness to your skin and it blends out really well. Once the foundation is blended, it's time to move on to my brows, and for my brows I'm using this brow pomade from Milani as well, and the shade name is 05, and you can see this is a dark brown kind of shade. The next I'll pick up an angle brush and I'll start drawing gentle strokes inside and around my brows to fill it and give it a voluminous look. Once it's filled, I'll just use this spoolie to comb it once to remove if any clumps are there and to make it look more organized and clean. Okay, so this is an extra step, but I really think a brow gel can make your brow stay in place for a longer time, and this time I'm using this Tattoo Studio brow gel from Maybelline, and this is in chocolate brown I think. And after applying it, I'm just combing it once more to remove any clumps and to make it look neat once again. To clean the edges of my brows and to prime my lid or cancel any kind of pigmentations on my lid, I'll be using this concealer. This is a Master Conceal Concealer from Maybelline, and the shade name is Medium Beige. And I'm using this tiny flat brush to apply it around the brows and on the lid. You can also use a sponge later on to blend it out if you think it's looking kind of patchy. Since I tend to crease a lot around the eye area, I'll be setting the concealed area today using this Fit Me Compact, and this is also in the shade medium. Moving on to my eye makeup, today I'm going to use this cute Chocomint palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'll start off with this peachy kind of shade, and I'll use this blending brush from Morphe this time. And you can see I'm just defining the crease area very well. This will be my base color or the transitional shade for this eye makeup. The next I'll pick up some of this brown on the same brush and I'll start intensifying the inner corners and outer corners. You can see I'm moving the brush in a circular motion on the outer corner and kind of dragging the brush across the outer V. It will add some definition to the eye. And at the end I'll kind of drag the brush across the crease to add some definition over there as well with whatever is present, whatever is left on the brush. The next I'll intensify the inner corner using the same color but with a different blending brush this time. I have chosen this thinner blending brush because the area is smaller in the inner corner, so I will just take a little bit of brown on this brush and gently blend it on the inner corner to add some definition over there as well. Finally, I'll use this shimmer from the City Minute palette by Maybelline, and I'll use my finger to dab it on the socket area of the lid. This is super pigmented and stays for a really long time. These shimmers from this palette are my absolute favorite. Once it's well applied, I'll just take some brown on the previous brush, which is a thinner blending brush, and I'll just swipe it once across the crease and across the outer corner so that I can dust off any extra shimmer over there and I can regain that defined crease area. The next, to brighten up the under eyes, I'm going to use this Born This Way concealer in the shade light beige, and today I'm not going to highlight the bridge of my nose, chin or forehead because I want this look to look kind of natural. And I'm blending this out using a beauty blender or sponge, and the next I'll be buffing some compact over it to set the concealed area. For my lower lash line, I'll keep it very simple. I'll just mix up both of these shades I use for my upper lid, and I will use this blending brush and I'll just swipe it across the lower lash line. Today I'll just draw a winged liner, and for that I'm using this liquid liner, black liquid liner from Avon, and this is called Simply Pretty. The next, I'll just tightline my eyes. It's very important to apply some amount of kajal on the lash line, on your upper lash line. It adds some definition to your eyes, and this time I'm using this black kajal. This one is probably from NYX. So it's almost done. I'll just curl my lashes well and apply an even coat of mascara on both the upper lashes and the lower one, and this time I'm using this voluminous carbon black mascara from L'Oreal. To powder contour my face today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and this brush is from Real Techniques, and I'll use it to define the cheekbones. I'll use some of it on the forehead, on the jawline and besides the nose to make it look sharp and defined. It's time to add some color to the face, and to blush my cheeks up, I'm going to use this Milani Blossom Time Rose blush, and this is lovely for a dewy look because this has got some refined shimmer particles in the dust form, which will add that sheen or the glow to your face. For some extra glow, I'll highlight my face today using this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and the shade name is Molten Gold. This is perfect for medium skin tones, and I'll use this fan brush to apply it on the highest planes of my face where the light will probably hit and bring it forward. Finally, I'll just lock this whole look by using some of this setting spray. This one is the Prep and Prime from MAC. I know it's a bit expensive, but it's worth investing in it because it's amazing. It just melts down all the layers of powder and cream and make them look like a flawless one layer and give you a flawless finish. So yeah, try it out. For the lip shade today, I'm going to mix up Almond Rose from Maybelline Creamy Matte and Beauty Mark from NYX Matte Liquid Lipstick, and that will give me a beautiful rosy brown kind of nude shade. So the look has come to an end, guys. I'll just now go and put my jewelries and sari on, and I'll just show how it looks at the end. I think you will enjoy this, and I have enjoyed it a lot creating this one for you. If you like watching my videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such content. See you next time with some amazing content, and till then, take care and bye bye.